Hey guys, this is Rob here. I'm Director of Marketing at Ludwig Drums, and I'd like to celebrate our 110th anniversary with you. Let me start by showing our offerings for this year. This is a very special kit. So this is the Legacy Mahogany, and it's in our vintage mahogany finish. And something we haven't done in a very long time, all maple wood hoops and chrome-plated claws. This particular kit is available in a 3-piece configuration, Pro Beat, like you see here with the 24-inch bass drum. But you can also buy the 6.5 by 14-inch snare separately, and you can also add the 16 by 18-inch floor tom as well. By showing this kit, we're also introducing the fact that you can order this finish, Legacy Mahogany, Vintage Mahogany, on our configured Legacy drums. So this will also be available in this finish, just not with the wood hoops, only on this anniversary drum set. The other kit that I'm affectionately calling the belle of the ball here is our anniversary Diamond Flash Pearl kit. The Diamond Flash Pearl kit is a white bird's eye maple. They call it Arctic white, and you have Tupelo and Koto woods inlaid in blue and yellow. It's a tribute to the full dress kits of the late 30s, early 1940s. This is available in a 3-piece Pro Beat with a 22-inch bass drum and additional snare drum, 6.5 by 14, sold separately. Introducing our Super Brass line, we have a smooth brass shell and we have a chrome over brass shell. What's special about these drums, another thing that we haven't done in many years, is all nickel-plated hardware. So we have triple flange hoops. We have the also the nickel-plated lug, and we have the nickel-plated P88 throw-off, all with Imperial lugs. These drums are available in 5 and 6.5 by 14. If we go over to some of our anniversary drums here, these are also 110th anniversary. The heirloom snare drums have been a great success for us in the last couple years. We decided to do a 110th anniversary limited edition run, so they'll only be available for 2018. It's a 5.5 by 14 and a 7 by 14. This is a brushed black brass shell, which has a really cool, rich look to it, and it's going to give you a warmer, darker sound. We have a brass plated die-cast tube, Imperial lug, and P88 throw-off as well. All the 110th anniversary drums are going to come with this cool black Ludwig bag. Something that I'm really excited about is obviously the Black Beauty, which is kind of our bread and butter snare drum, and studio guys and live drummers all over the world have been using Black Beauties for many, many years. But this is a tribute to our early Black Beauties. Just like we made them in the 20s, 8 lugs, brass plated tube lugs and single flange hoops, brand new state-of-the-art throw off that works well, won't break on you, won't make noise. And this is available in 5 by 14 and 6.5 by 14. Also comes with the anniversary snare drum bag. We started doing a aged exotic drum set and line of snare drums this year. This particular snare drum is Avedire wood over a 10-ply maple shell. It's kind of this cool goldy blonde veneer that has a lot of flame to it, a lot of character to the grain of the wood. This is available in a similar size to the heirloom. It's got a 5.5 and a 7 by 14 shell, and it's all nickel-plated hardware as well. Something that people have been asking for a long time is the resurgence of the Jazz Fest snare drum. We've got a vintage Black Oyster, Black Galaxy, Mod Orange, vintage Blue Oyster. This drum is also special because it has the white retro coat interior and red felt baseball bat muffler. And you really could only get that on the drums from the 60s up until this point. Now what's cool about this drum and all the drums in the brass series is they'll be available indefinitely. It's nothing special. I mean, it's special, but it's not limited to our 110th anniversary. We introduced a few new finishes last year, but it was mid-year, so we didn't really get to debut it at a trade show. This is the Copper Rose Mist wrap. We did a really cool hybrid kit here. We've got classic maple concert toms in 10-inch and 12-inch, but the rest of the kit is legacy maple. So you got classic maple, legacy maple kit. Sizes are 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 24-inch bass drum with a matching 6.5-inch snare drum. You really can't see how beautiful this finish is until you look at it all set up on a full-size kit. We also have the burgundy mist along with a white strata and avocado strata. That's all new for 2018, but we're just starting to debut kits here in 2019. And that'll be orderable and configurable through your dealer and on our website. We've had great success with our new Sonic line. It's a 6-ply shell. That's 3 plies cherry, 3 plies maple. It's a versatile sounding kit. You can do a lot of pop stuff, a lot of rock stuff, and we really wanted to introduce some cool colors. We've had great success with the colors that we have. We wanted to introduce a new color for this year. This is the coral red, which has this really cool soft red, almost pink hue to it that is kind of exciting, and I think it's going to do really well here in 2019.